So now I'm actually underneath the train station, which is what I was anyways on. And I'm about to show you the Union Station. Oh yeah, there's some construction. I'm going to show you the Union Station. Everyone's now staring at the watch to wear sound. It's actually pretty cool. Living here. Ready? This is like in the movies. Okay. This is the Ready Union Station. It's like in that movie, Madagascar movie, whatever. Now I'm going to the underground section where all the food is. Besides the yellow part of it. I swear to God, people are like, why is she talking to herself? Don't worry, guys. It's all for you. There's some magazine stables and things. Now we're gonna get to the mall where you can like smell the food. It smells cinnamon. I'm not sure if I want it. My stomach kind of hurts from that mall. Yeah. Alrighty. Aria says there's going to be this huge lineup of McDonald's. See? There's Mickey D's right there. And then some random place. I'm gonna go, let's wait to I ordered, 1 year I went and ordered it. Yeah.